Moonshine Explosion number 2. YouTube short number 3.
Chill, you gotta shut this shit down and get out of here, man.
That choppy blew up my still last year. I can't believe it.
What's going on there, boss?
We're just making some maple syrup.
So, yeah?
Keep that guy away from me. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it.
Pumpkinhead never learns. No. Please subscribe and like this short, but make sure to check out the full version on the YouTube channel. Don't forget about our new website at thetrailerparkers.com.